My name is Akilah bin Abdul Rahman. Student ID 2024-672-504. For digital transformation BTM 532, we have choose UFuture for our websites. Just search Google and we type UFuture website and it appears, and that we just put our names and our study ID to enter the UFuture UITM. Okay. For UFuture, we have system and work progress perspective. We have two items for UFuture. First is for student and second is for lecture. Okay, let's start for student. Okay, in the UFuture, student can get notes instead of printing paper. You just can download the slide, PDF and video from the UFuture. Second is the progress. There is a progress bar that shows how much of the course you have finished. Third is hand in homework. You can sign your assignment or take online quiz directly on the websites in the future. For example, course BTM 533, BTM 532, BTM 535 and other courses that you can get. Lastly, for students, you can mark attendance. You can just enter a course given by your lecturer and pick your attendance. Okay, for the lecture. First, the lecturer can share the material. They can upload all the teaching files for the semester 1 until semester 6 for their students. Second is set tasks. They can create the title for students to submit work and set the deadlines. For example, like the rubric guidelines and the lesson plan. Third is check engagement. The lecturer can see student who has logged in and who has not opened the note yet. So, by UFuture, all in one place that we can get all the information and knowledge. So, we don't have to use email or website to get notes. It's because everything is organized from week 1 until week 14. It is because it officially records in the UFuture. At the end of the semester, UFuture data is so important to prove the all activity class happen for website UFuture.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Al-Amin bin Zulkifli. Metric number is 2025-72241. So I will discuss about why the work process is selected. The UFuture system is selected because it is the core digital learning platform at UITM. It supports important academic activities such as course delivery, online assessment, discussion, and assignment submissions. The system directly impacts students, lecturers, and academic staff in their daily teaching and learning processes. By using UFuture, UITM is able to align with global digital learning trends while improving teaching efficiency and enhancing the overall learning experience. So let's move on to the horizon scanning. So universities worldwide are adopting digital learning management system to support online and blended learning. These digital platforms are used for course material, online assessment, and communication between lecturers and students. There is also an increasing demand for cloud-based and mobile-friendly academic system, as students expect anytime and anywhere access to learning content. In the future, emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence or AI and learning analytics will further enhance digital learning. Therefore, UITM must continuously improve the UFuture system to align with global digital education trends. And last but not least is rationale for choosing this system. So the UFuture system is chosen because it enhances the effectiveness and efficiency of teaching and learning activities at UITM. It provides a centralized digital platform for academic management and help reduce manual and paper-based processes. The system is also supports flexible and continuous learning beyond physical classroom, while improving accessibility to learning material for both students and lecturers. Overall, UFuture aligns with UITM's digital transformation strategy and smart campus initiative.
Good day, my name is Muhammad Haziq Hakimi Iman bin Muhammad Shamsuddin. My metric number is 2024-666-864, and today I will explain to you about the internal audit perspective of UFuture. Internal audit perspective of UFuture operates on UITM learning management system infrastructure. The key work processes audited included content development, academic review, approval, publication, and users monitoring. These processes are conducted in accordance with UITM established academic and administrative procedure, indicating that governance control are in place. In terms of available skill sets, the audit found that the academic staff possess the required competency to develop and review course content aligned with the UITM curriculum. Staff are also capable of managing courses, uploading learning material, and monitoring student participation. Within UFuture, lecturers are able to produce digital lecture, slide, quiz, and basic interactive content, supporting the platform operational objective. Regarding strengths identified during the audit, UFuture demonstrates structure and curriculum along academic content, strong lecture involvement, and broad accessibility for students. Additionally, the content approval process is clearly defined, supporting effective academic governance and risk control. However, the internal audit also identified areas requiring improvement. These include the need for greater automation in performance tracking and reporting, enhancement of digital and data analytic capabilities, and standardization of standard operating procedure and internal audit documentation across faculties. Finally, in terms of responsibility and manpower, oversight of UFuture is shared between Academic Responsibility Center and UITM Digital. Key parties involved include lecturer, system administrator, IT support staff, and academic coordinator. Based on audit observation, manpower involvement is estimated at 5 to 10% depending on the faculty size and operational scope. This concludes the internal audit of UFuture. That's all for me, and thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Azina Aida binti Muhammad. My metric number is 2024229134. Right now, I will explain about gap analysis of UFuture at UITM. As you can see here, this slide presents the gap analysis of the UFuture system at UITM, which compare the current situation with the desired future state. In the current state, UFuture mainly function as a basic platform that stores student and lecturer information. However, most of the data is still updated manually, which may lead to outdated or incomplete information. Students typically use the system only to search for job and internship opportunities, while other features are underutilized. In addition, student digital skill and career readiness level are inconsistent. Also, the system helps reduce manual job searching. It is not fully optimized, and user engagement and awareness of available features remain low. Moreover, in the future state, UFuture is expected to be fully integrated with UITM academic system and enhanced with artificial intelligence, which is AI. This integration will allow more advanced data analysis, smoother workflow from profile creation to job matching and personalized job recommendation. However, several gaps still exist, including limited data analytic capabilities, uneven digital skill level, system usability issue, and low engagement. These gaps must be addressed for UFuture to achieve its full potential. Let's move to the next slide, which is who benefits from digital transformation. This slide explains who benefits from the digital transformation of the UFuture system. Firstly, students benefit through easier access to job internship opportunities. They can also better understand the industry skill required, which help them prepare for their future career. Next is UITM. As an organization, benefits from improved tracking of graduate employability and better data-driven decision-making. The system also strengthens collaboration between UITM and industry partners. C is career services. Staff and lecturer benefits because the system reduces manual work and allows them to provide more effective guidance for student career planning. Overall, the digital transformation creates value for all stakeholders involved.
Hi, my name is Fatin Christina binti Muhammad Faisal. My ID student 2024289314. For work effectiveness, first, centralize career-related activities for students, lecturers, and career services. Second, reduces manual processes and save time. And the last one, faster access to information and better tracking of student employability. Weaknesses in work process. First, low student engagement. It is because profiles not update regularly. And second, limited personalization. The job recommendation not tailored. And number 3, staff training gaps. Lecturers and career office may underutilize the system. And the last one, system usability issues. The navigation and interface can be confusing sometimes for the user.
First thing first, my name is Nur Izzati Binti Rasli and my matric ID is 2024666692. Okay, now I will move on to the third part of HINGE approach, which is new model generation. New model generation focus on improving the current UFuture system by using the higher level of digital maturity and modern technology. The first recommendation is AI-powered learning analytics. With AI, UFuture can track student engagement and also academic performance. It can also provide early warning alert for students who are at risk, so lecturer can give support earlier. The second improvement is personalized learning experience. UFuture can recommend learning material based on student progress. It can also provide adaptive quizzes and customized learning paths, so students can learn according to their own pace. The third recommendation is improve user interface and user experience. The system should be more user-friendly, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. This will help both students and lecturers use UFuture more efficiently. The fourth improvement is enhanced lecturer training. UITM should conduct regular digital teaching workshops and provide certification for advanced UFuture users. This will ensure lecturers can fully utilize all the features in UFuture. The fifth recommendation is system integration. UFuture should be integrated with the student information system and e-portfolio platform. It should also use single sign-on so users can access our system with one login. And lastly, I recommend that UFuture should have a dedicated mobile application. Why? This is because most students use smartphone. A mobile app will allow faster access, push notification, easy submission of assignment, and better communication. Summary, this improvement will increase student engagement, improving learning experience, reduce administrative workload, and support UITM's digital transformation. That's all.
Conclusion, UFuture plays an important role as UITM's main digital learning platform in supporting the university's digital transformation. Through the HINGE approach, it is clear that UFuture responds well to external change that require flexible, technology-driven learning environments. At the organizational level, the system has enhanced the efficiency of teaching and learning process by enabling structured course management, digital content delivery, and online assessment. Nevertheless, several gaps still exist, particularly in terms of uneven digital skills among users, system performance issues, and the limited use of learning data for decision making. With continuous improvement such as the integration of learning analytics, smart technologies, and a more user-friendly interface, UFuture has the potential to become a more innovative and effective digital learning platform. Overall, the success of UITM's digital transformation through UFuture depends not only on the adoption of technology, but also on the readiness of people, well-designed processes, and strong organizational support.